this guy so where is this guy family? I beg if anybody know this guy, when I say for comment section. I beg if any this guy family member dey here, when I say for comment section. I want to set on a record now. Where did you mateta? Where now if you go call? Where did you mateta na brother? Oh, if you know say you know this guy, come say hi. Oh, Jennifer, Joy, we are. If you know say you know, I come. Oh, record. I want play record now. Where Agba Hewan oh. If you do Agba Hewan, this one brain. Every somebody say balo. Obowe, I'm making that year. My people wanna come oh. People went from commerce or the support for social media. The man no reason no. Omozuo. Omi agboa. Omagin who. I bet what the people will say no. What the people will say no. I bet mona the. If you know say you know this guy, I bet mona come up, mona climb. Mona climb now. Not climb with a brother. Oh, the best one I know. Send request. If you know say you know, send request, please. If you know this guy, or share the video to his family member right now. Make all listen to the record. When they take tie brain. They don't tie brain. Oh. Yeah, only of them they are not hearing me. Hello. They're not hear me. Yeah. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. Yeah. Are you hearing me? I first see that they hear. Hello. Are you hearing me? If you are hearing me, say yes. If anybody know, they say they don't hear me. If you know this guy, you know her. Say I for comment section. If you know, say you know her. I want to bring you up so that may you tell us how you tell us in. More ask you question. Please don't not the wrong. Here's the power they call the wrong for this guy. They name me a war equal man. They name me with me. If the Jennifer war market you ladian, who lay ya market money ladian.
Hello, Ipadomo.
Hello.
Domo, sir.
Who you?
You wait you when my brother needs to when because me no salo boyen value sokmen of Bali ayere remuyu wanka. So me ti pray ni bon very for me on my side though. Yet very no. Domo ibieka wo yama.
My yawaro. Mujane listen. Hello.
Brother, I greet you.
I greet you.
Yeah, good day. Now, new thing they talk to you.
New tea. Now you I carry a picture come as well.
Yeah, and I don't like calm I beg. See, and one thing I want to tell you, I don't see what you they do. I really don't be this kind of person where we can call for this kind of platform, come they talk. I be private person. You know understand? No matter what, nobody supports anything where they go on right now. Nobody supports what Jennifer do to go to insult person mama for one platform to come to drag people up and down. You don't understand. But at the time, my 2-year-old daughter deal with this Jennifer. And with the reports we will get around her now, she not even do okay. She feel kill herself, she feel die. It will still affect us in one way or the other. So more I beg, more take this whole matter easy. You are beg.
My brother, may I quit tell you something? As a man, where you be, as you take control, is it how to the way you take talk to me, so the way you take address me, so it makes sense. Just the truth.
I mean, me say I beg. Don't be say.
No, now the end. Now when you take start, you don't start to where. Now the end, you can't form a beg. They say so.
No, I call you to listen to me now, bro. See, we not the quarrel. Now the first time with me and you.
No, as you call me the first time, the way you take attack me, just me.
Nobody, no, I beg, no verse. See, nobody they support waiting this girl do. Say you can't go to drag people, parents online, or even bring those kind of matter come out for social media. You understand? Because that woman, they old enough to be anybody, mama. A woman where everybody.
Okay, my brother.
You understand?
My brother, I want to ask you a question. You know, say that woman, what they call Mama Pat Uso.
Now everybody,
Listen. Bros, fair listen to me. When this matter take time, you never know. Because that way be say they don't over the humiliate the woman. No, they never carry the matter God give me. Me na peacemaker. You understand me? So that the matter, I can't say they don't do you the boy where they go give where they call Frank or Moswo, that boy don't they if you see what where that boy they talk against that woman, sometimes I will cry.
Nobody.
Now, brother, listen, brother, just they listen to me. That woman have paid her dues in Benin.
I understand.
That woman, she has paid her dues. We need to respect her and respect.
Now our mama should be
okay.
Everybody mama.
Okay, now thank God say thank God.
Me Frank did Nigeria, you know go try with it, even they try. So if Frank did that Benin, if you know go even let her post that woman picture, say you want insult her. People will go ask her go too many. You know understand?
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to talk for this platform. As I even cause a whole lot of people will follow me quarrel. Say,
okay, a lot of people will follow you quarrel. When me they play juju, where they take go tie your enemy for one place. They say don't remove your enemy sense.
That one, you not remove my sense. That one.
My brother, you sure say your sense is there with you for there. You sure say your sense there with you.
Bro, you dey insult me now. I call you.
Sorry, I just a joke with you. Wait.
You know why I see all these things now as fun on social media.
Okay, me they look as fun.
No, everybody they see.
Okay, you the record now when me they play. You know the way me they see all those things. Okay, now, bros, may I tell you something?
Matter way they don't settle family settlement. Matter way they go.
I tell Jennifer say you should come out. Listen, my brother. I tell your baby mama say make it come and come apologize to Pat family. As I they talk now, she see the ride, they talking by my they talking by my they talking. Now I say come. Now I say
me know Jennifer. Things where Jennifer they do to people, she no go fit take half of her. I don't know if you get. Jennifer not get thick skin. All these things she just a form say she's strong. That girl if you swallow poison.
Okay, if no one makes she swallow poison now, if no one makes she swallow poison, tell her make she come out, come publicly apologize to that family. May come out, come apologize to the family, and he go talk and he go swear say if I hear say Fracomoso carry Mama Pat come out again or any of the family member or I hear pen. For almost for Mama Pat matter again, everywhere will spoil. Because I told them me want start my own saga. Me never start since. I told them me want start my own. Now they tell me arrest. I told them I want start my own. Because what did they do to Mama Pat? Me I want do what to mama and the family. Make you see the way you be paying. So if they pay me now, say you now we busy, baby papa now you can't see the pity now because the way you take the pity, you know they pity you like that. You know they pity you the way you take the pity now.
Yeah. No, I understand what you talk about, but first and foremost, children they involved. These girls, so now only she they stay with 6 years old and 2 years old daughter. We deal with her for one. All these crazy and nonsense she they do so online. Now only she they sleep, they suffer all these things. Imagine not go swallow points, they die, leave all those children.
Okay, since there, what thing Mama don't do? Why Mama don't come out? Come say okay. I bet man not vex. So what my pikin they do? You not support her. Why all your family member kept me?
See, go reach your mama. They talk to Jennifer. Now Jennifer not the year. If you do your real findings and investigation, you understand. I beg.
But you fair no say this picture where I bring come out so this picture where I bring come out. You fair yes say now Jennifer Fekara go give blogger give the 500,000. Make the just
I know all those things. See, Jennifer matter not be matter with then they talk online. Not be online, not
okay,
be
now
offline.
Now offline they talk Jennifer matter offline.
You know why I talk you don't know what they happen. You know understand. You just now the surface you the scratch.
Okay, what did they really happen? They disturb her? Did you they disturb her?
I don't know whether Juju they disturb him. I don't know. But as I see my picture, my people they forward and give me. That make me call you.
I get very happy as you call because now the record because now because why they play the record just now? That make all the ask which of the baby papa? Now they say
as they forward my picture they give me. I call you not to make matter worse or not to make I just call you say man. As a guy man where you still be, you know understand.
So what you go do for me, brother? If you know if you want me peace day, go look for you take call Jennifer or anybody will call Jennifer.
You know why they talk You know
fair listen to me, bro. Now fair listen to me.
Tomorrow morning, you will hear say that girl don't die. I know how many times Jennifer don't try to commit suicide. I don't know
as
whether
that girl your big reach like that, she know your get sense.
I know how many times.
No, wait, as she your big reach, she know your get sense.
That one I come a personal matter and she can't know. You know understand? I just call you to let you know. Say this matter we dey look am as fun now. Person fit die.
But you say person fit die. You know the way today they no get platform today. If they met for that side, you know say they met for no get platform about 2 hours ago.
Jennifer not be herself again. She just dey try strong.
She just dey try strong.
I know what I tell you.
Okay. So my brother.
Nobody support anything where she do. Say man where you born for, you go to post am for platform or you go to rubbish the family. Nobody supported those nonsense.
My people, my friend talk to my people. My people. My friend talk to them.
Jennifer now, like see am like your own younger sister. Everybody knows that nonsense that she do. Nobody is in support of the nonsense. Even her family not there in support. You know understand? For the sake of those little children we deal with her, now only she. I beg. Just try maybe take.
I know they talk so. Now these bros where I bring picture come out, now they talk so. Jennifer second baby papa. Now they talk so say Jennifer make you no go pay for SARS. Before you go pay she need to come do apology. If you not do apology, that pay she go pay oh. She need to go do apology. She need to come apologize to this family. Because in life, my brother, may I tell you something? In life, if where you don't bomb put, no matter the consequences, you don't need to carry the cost social media. For you to carry the cost,
because this thing don't.
Nigeria manager, that Nigeria is dying for the call. This guy, Nigeria ID, my people, the bros, Nigeria ID, because Nigeria nobody call me. My people, Nigeria ID, they say yes. In Nigeria. Nigeria. So, my people, my friend, come on, to get a picture first.
Where's your name with picture again?
No, I disagree, respect people well. Yeah. My friend, I bring Jennifer Okon. Jennifer, Adi. May I bring your yash, come on. Hey, Jennifer, come and see your yash. May I carry your yash, come on. Jennifer, carry this year, go give Baba God this year. Only Salah Mukba. Only Salah Mukba. Why no Mukba? Jennifer, carry this year, go. We don't need that again. Mukba. You don't use this year to deceive many men. You don't use that to deceive many men. More than plan me carry this year, go. My brother, tell me I no money Salah Mukba. Mama, you don't need Salah. Oh yeah, deceive many bunny. Jennifer, carry your yash and go. I will carry your yash and go. Jennifer, carry your yash and go. What am I money say? We don't need this yash. See many men. See this guy. See get confidence. Take call now. He get confidence. Call. You they use your yash. They deceive that they go. Most of the fee now. Most of the fee now. You carry mama part. God. That woman pay her dues in Benin. When they say dues, say person pay dues. That woman, she has paid her dues in Benin. So we need to respect that family. We need to respect that family. She don't pay her dues. This years, my brother, tell her, make carry this years follow body come out. May not leave this years for anywhere. As she they go, so you say, make she carry this years follow body. No mukba. Jennifer, carry your yash and go. Carry your yash. You don't vote for person, no matter what happen. You don't let the nogie settle the matter. You go give a muzzle. See now, see record why they play now. When I ball men now. When I ball men now.
No na gbalo.
When I ball they want to collect the guy brain. They want to collect the guy brain.
No veno ro we mi na do prisi.
If you know we bona. So did they happen for abroad though? Eh? Carry on, you shall go. Well, so I no vena my a man will coded.
O what bani me ga arrive TikTok ive there yo. Ah, yo ja live any boyfriend day. Ayo.
Imagine. My people, more continue the record. More continue the record though.
Oh, te jamais we wa so na anyone le lore Frankie, my brother la.
My sister, we make person a call. Where say
he wanted to
we iki akpegbe wo isan. I don't meet can not we make person gbere. We make gbere my sister. We will live the more we marry my sister. You marry Salobo. My sister, we will live the more what about my sister? Hello. We will live we will live now a money give fat. I want me go this in Algeria. Give money, go this in Algeria. Yeah. I'm going to wait. So my people, more than they listen to Juju record. More than they listen to Juju record. When they want a time man. I want to balo. I want to balo hewan. More than they listen.
Ọ̀kan wà. Wàhálì náà fún ọ̀kan dídẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀. Lẹ́nu wẹ́gẹ́ yìí ọ̀yẹ̀kú méjì. Uwe ọ̀yẹ̀kú ẹ̀ta. Àwọn náà wọ́n wú ọ̀tún náà dá ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ọwọ́ yà dégbu. Wọ́n ọ̀yẹ̀dẹ̀gbui ọ̀yà dàgbò yẹ̀ yà wá sọ̀rọ̀. Ukpọ̀nà fọ̀ ukpọ̀nà ba ukpọ̀nà èkúi. A máa ṣe gbẹ̀rẹ̀. Ikú kí náà máa ń kú ẹ̀. Eri na ya wasone wi wakere ya wasone wo odogogo boy do kuku no kuna kwa kana ipigo oru wi ya ro obobo ina ya wasone egba we ya wasone ne nwa meke na do wi kwa kani ari egbu ba ya wa ya ni wa tie yi beta
owe ne ma enwa meke na do wi na kwa kani obo wa we evita wa ki okay when we yeah, take off the family, eh? Oh man, when we take off of her. Oh, bo, when we listen to Muguwa, why to boy, we need Buwa? Why walk your way and waffle? Oh, bo, the do. Why walk your way and walk your and waffle? Oh, bo, Debini. We don't lock everybody pray finish. I'm a politician, man, the door. What am I locking your brain? I banditi. All the bandits. Well, now don't lock their brain. Una not lock anyone. Not lock the bandit. You have here. Wama lock a bandit. Eh, be ani fe kozo kiya. Una go lock their brain. Una go lock their brain. Bandits full everywhere. Kidnapper. Una not lock kidnapper. Wama lock your brain. Wama lock your brain. Una not lock their brain. I'm innocent in how be this?
Hello.
Keshe.
भैन ये कहा तेरे को
Keshe.
गांडू है तू गांडू है भैन ये कहा तुमसे मैच लगाना है तेरे को 225 बंदा बैठा है
You need to go, G.
नाच ले गई हेलो
Whatever do bell. Usalwa. You need to go, G now. Well, my wife. You know, Usalwa. But we don't have everyone. And I'm here with Bono. On va bien avec Bono. Boy, you are okay. So Ibo they suffer. They suffer. You wait, they what you enjoy past there. And they know avec me. Wa Salwa. We know avec me.
It's a fusilado, bem. We are Brady.
Madam Mota, wherever we are like Malaya, or like Bala, I can't. Or my ten, I can't. Or Only my power.
Drive.
Okay, I quick player. Hey, when my take off man, they are over. What am I?
Oh, we are my queer mad terror.
Where?
Don't freeze. Where? Iye ma ku ya be maditerere na we mata gele no.
Where was body tiare? Ah, body tiare kina po mere regi gba so who was wo. The body tiare, ya mo mani amu ya pa.
Oh, where my sister ya live any money am e ke be na jeni.
Ni ya ke be to ge. What what di bere? Ni di bere.
Oh, la go. I do you get be mu.
Ferguson Avenue North.
Hey, don't freeze. My brother be wa.
Where you kebe no wamu? Aye bobo no. Okay, my sister. Where you bobo no boy everywhere?
I just say maybe ya go na ya le na ya iba le pipa.
Kebe no
Let me say na water.
Flat.
Let me say na water na. Ebi rock by ross here. We kebe rock by re.
You carry big ears like this. Your brain empty. Empty brain. Empty brain.
Don't freeze. Obeba wo la eko be tired do you get.
No, you don't apologize to those family. All let you over. Oh, wait, you apologize to all those family.
Later, don't freeze. Irema na eko ge we wa you get one. Later.
Where see? People that hear me so, I tell Jennifer, you will come out and apologize today publicly. And for bringing false narrative. And Omozo, if anytime Omozo come out again and mention their name, I got the. Because you know what? If I will rest more, because of this, your baby papa will come call. Because of this, if I will rest more, because of this, your baby papa will still come call. I will muji you a bakery. I will muji you a bakery. Because what you have been doing is nonsense. Nonsense, nonsense. When I listen to Obo.
Aya wasone. Wo odo gogo boy do kuku no kuna kwa kana ikpigo oru emi ya ro obobo. Ina ya wasone ege. Ari agbo ari ba ya wasone o wa ku egbo. No.
You got to where? You got to moment today. Am I still alive? Query life. People, am I still alive? If not still see me, say hi. Am I still alive? Please, if you people still see me, say yes. Me query life. If not still see me, not say yes. Please, one of the power task say I love TikTok show. Have you pictured me? Guys, this one good. Yeah, we don't know striking. Now, man, this one good. Oh yeah, when I say I love TikTok show. Amazon, don't listen to record. Utahia we e mama part. E rio mo ejogo bo. E mama part of mo ario no na. E mama part ove mo ahia no he agbale. E second baby papa there. Na mama part carry am na me go tie second baby papa. Hello. Hello. No carry matter can't give you. For you could do it in a way, you will start to the talk lie. Must you use lie to saga people must well? And market that way is again a problem now. A problem where is again now. Anything else through that again I must well. Oh, but when you die for real. Anything else through that again now you the whole because now you drag them on apart. Now you drag them on apart. If anything do now you the whole who bell. Now you the whole. Because now you start to drag mama part. They pull her for the ISA, a whole part destiny bagwa. They chop Pikia mama. You know what? Go see the video for YouTube. A PC destiny, false narrative. False narrative. No evidence. No evidence. No. I even the next thing you say I care the chopping mama. You say I care the chopping mama. Eh? You say I care the chopping mama. Chopping mama. The chopping mama. Eh? You say I care the chopping mama. Chopping mama. Chopping mama. No soon. Usungu. In the record it. We be phone in the record.
Ali amali ba ya wa so ni. Ego. No don na.
In miracle obodi is as I like. Wa go. E lo be sa wa ku ya go. Wa so wa go so e. So we. So we how. You me na boy and red. Yet e boda. How many wa we. Mother I say I love Tito Show. Everybody power tap and let's go. He wa ku e gbo a.
Ma se gbe yi. Ko kina ma no ku e. Eri ba na ya wa so ni. Ya wa so no wi wa kire. Ya wa so ni. Wọ́n ọdọ̀ gọ́gọ́ ọ̀bọ̀ ìlú kúkú lòkù náà gbọ́n kan náà ìpígó oru ìwé ya rọ òbòbò ìnà ya wá sọ yẹn gẹ̀gbà wọ́n ya wá sọ náà ẹ̀wọ̀n mẹ́kẹ̀ náà tó wí ẹ̀ àgbọ̀n kan ní àrí ègbé bàyà wáyà lè wá fi ẹ̀yẹ bàtà náà wá sọ ní yes bí sùsù náà wẹ̀rọ tọ̀ àrí àgbọ̀ àrí ìbáyà wá sọ ní ọwọ́ àkùyẹ̀ gbọ̀ náà dọ́nà wà á wí ara mọ̀.
Agele wolo na ami ewe ni agele do duna gogo boy agele do kuku ne ga agele do gogo ni tino ya basu agele do agele Jennifer ni je so wa
Mata ogele wala be ya ri agbo ri bi ore ya fe na wa so ogele do agele Jennifer so ma to da fún ẹ náà ọba na sawe ba mi ọba ọkàn
Ọwọ́ do agele Jennifer so wa. That means the man who was someone when we exhausted now everything day with you. Ah, Baba. Solo boy, Solomon, we cry for wisdom. Me wisdom. Just about it is what it is what it is Solomon Solo boy. Solomon have everything this world. You don't get wisdom. Jennifer, you're big. Get a big yash. They say now BBL it go do the plan BBL yash. Carry big yash, carry small belly, carry big breast. You can't get empty sense. Empty sense. Empty sense. Man, if I play this one, I will play one of your boyfriend record. I don't know now this guy will come you, but one of your boyfriend record with me here. I will release that just now. One of your boyfriend record, Jennifer, I will still release that just now. For real. For you to come and make you apologize to the family. Why? Don't just step up. If you get that customer, don't just step up. Your boyfriend record, I go release your son. May you see the way your boyfriend they value you. How value where ya? Tell us about that's what you go do. No time make you apologize to the family when you sought. When you carry go give blogger. We are most one now. You don't collect money at us. We are most one now. No bell, we don't like no soon. Ask me they beat you now. Make a muzzle make contact say, make the please leave Jennifer alone. If a muzzle not they fear, tell your baby papa yourself. I respect a pass of muzzle 1 billion times. 1 billion times. You see that your baby papa will cause you. I respect a pass of muzzle 1 billion times. Me a muzzle by your to say Jennifer. I'll start to beat a muzzle mama. Me a muzzle by your open man say, the prince, I know I made the beat Jennifer. You have one bishop muzzle. Me to tell you say a passer. To tell you say a muzzle you not reach offend. Jennifer, look at what you did. You say so? That is what you did. May I play Obo finish? Obo now record Obo what? Record Obo mafo. A record Obo mafo what? Obo when you play boy. I can't want it. It means you say about now. Why can't you play one? Obo na kini yari yaje. It can happen. Men yake mo baba giara. Giara wo giara mafa. Giara wo giara mafa. Yamara, Goli go saya get zazi shirani kwa. Girele shirani. Ya mero na memo shirani kwa. Imagine the cockability. Okay, not the year.
Ọ̀rẹ́ agbó ọ̀rẹ́ parí ìbáyà wá sọ́ni ọwọ́ àpò ẹ̀gbọ́n. No, I don't know why we are a man.
Agele wolona ami ewe mi agele do na wogo boy agele do kuku nega agele do wogo and you know your boss agele do agele Jennifer give someone.
Okay, the boy newty. They maybe mention the boy name inside here. The boy not be newty. Or when newty get to I play this again. I listen to the girl. And the guy be newty now.
Ọ̀rẹ́ yà fẹ́ náà wá sùn yà wá.
And the guy be newty. Man, listen.
Ọ̀dọ̀ ìlú agé Jennifer sọ́mà tọ́da fún ẹ̀ náà. Ọba lásàwé bá mi. Ọba ọkàn ọ̀yẹ́ bọ́ sójú tẹ̀mẹ́nu wẹ̀tá náà. Ọba méjì mọ́tàgélé náà. Ọba amádìọ́ba ìgbówó àti ìkú ọmọ yóò. Wọ́n miẹ̀. No, I don't know why we are a man.
Agele wolona ami ewe mi agele do na wogo boy agele do kuku nega agele do wogo and you know your boss agele do agele Jennifer give someone.
Mata ogele wala vile ọ̀rẹ́ agbó ọ̀rẹ́ jí ọ̀rẹ́ yà fẹ́ náà wá sùn yà wá sùn. Ọ̀dọ̀ ìlú agé Jennifer sọ́mà àfọ̀n ẹ̀ náà. Ọba lásàwé bá mi. Ọba ọkàn ọ̀yẹ́ bọ́ sójú tẹ̀mẹ́nu wẹ̀tá náà. Ọba méjì mọ́tàgélé náà. Ọba amádìọ́ba ìgbówó àti ìkú ọmọ yóò. Wọ́n miẹ̀ owó náà yà wẹ́ dọ́ra wẹ́. Wọ́n ọ̀kan dí gẹ̀dẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Miẹ̀ owó náà yà wẹ́. Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ máa ṣe fà.
Hello, who be that? Hello, and Jennifer be that?
Good evening, bro. Jennifer, sister.
Open your camera, may I see you.
You don't first see my face yesterday, nah?
Now you come from Nigeria?
Yes.
You sure? I'm not be you call.
Na me call yesterday.
Mo see you, open your face, mo they see. Mo see you.
Jesus Christ.
They say Jesus Christ. Why carry cut down?
No. Na me call yesterday.
Tell us what did happen.
Because of this matter, I still climb up again now.
Because this
I
matter.
still beg you yesterday, say me this matter there.
Why you not tell I tell Jennifer today. Jennifer send me record.
She don't rest. Epa, she don't rest for this thing.
May she come back and do public apology. May she come back and do
Jennifer don't
public
rest.
apology.
Epa, Jennifer get 2 children, small children for hand.
Okay, she not fit to
that they no go do what she not supposed to do.
My sister, may she go do what you want to do. Bye-bye, do. Bye-bye. May she go do what you want to do. If Jennifer not come back and do public apology to that family, it's here. It's here. May he go top nepper. It's here. She must come out and do public apology to that family for bringing their name down to menace. Hello? You are not hearing me. Hello? You are not hearing me. Jennifer must come out and apologize to that family. Okay? That woman, she has paid her dues in Benin. Go ask question. Go ask question. If our king won't do anything, now Mama Pat, the carry cultural group go palace. Woman where our king recognize. Woman where our king recognize. Woman where our king recognize. Now they go carry and they go give one year boy for social media. May they humiliate in me. Go pay one boy. We don't get sense. My sister, let's not they play. They play. Jennifer, if you not be 300 million snapper, what be doing? Jennifer, go at this snapper. Snapper, boy. Jennifer, this snapper. This snapper. Oh, one was snapper.
Hello, Epa. Good evening. Good evening.
You say O2. I'm glad they call me Epa. I never old. I be young boy. I never old.
O2. Good evening.
Good evening.
What I try? What I want to be say? If really say Jennifer family wants me the matter, why they not come outside come apologize to Mama Pat and his son? And why Jennifer family not go tell Omozo may rest? Why they call they meet you?
That mean they toss you.
They forgot me to Omozo. Tell us say may rest. Make her apologize.
That is so. Now they know the way they want to settle that issue. But Mama Pat, Uso name where she can't spoil for media. Mama Pat are pay her dues in Benin. We don't tell when they spoil Benin people, Benin musicians, people, artists, all the artists where they Benin. Any area for social media. No big boy for Benin again. All the big boys where they Benin, they don't spoil their name finish. No big boy for Benin again. Una go live on that state. Una go live different state. Why we a dog agbuwa? Una go live different state. Una say that Benin want to spoil people name. Oh, no big boys for Benin again. Una don't spoil their name for social media.
Someone they call you a pie again. Throughout yesterday, now Frank platform that we did. They beg Frank, make Frank rest for this matter. So you understand?
What they beg
Make
Frank?
me rest. That one no one rest. And not just okay, indoor rest for the matter. When we talk for the matter this afternoon, no get okay, indoor rest. Okay, Frank, may you rest. Me, I shall be. Oh God.
Okay.
I wanna see pity for the two children who say they with her.
Okay. The woman and the children where they humiliate, don't be human be the be.
I know, Epa.
No, now question
I beg.
the woman and the children where they humiliate, are they not human beings?
Epa, Jennifer no where she did there, so
Nowhere.
Epa, if anything bad happen to her, now she be everybody will call come for social media. Everybody go come.
The saga gravel, the saga coffee. Go ask question. The saga coffee for this media. You know they never ask you, they never tell you. The saga coffee. No, the day when
We
they
beg Frank yesterday, say, Epa, Frank, rest for this matter. He say, okay, no while I ain't go rest.
Who want rest?
I beg, bros.
Me, I
Epa,
like
Frank saying go rest.
You know why? I not be person with demand. I get sense. That is why they like to. You see the way where Jennifer baby papa call us now. As you see, I don't know that you hear where they talk. You hear where Jennifer baby papa they talk?
Yes, I hear.
Okay. Look whether people look people where they watch now. Look whether they support you. My people, where did this guy they talk so? When they support her, if not they support this guy they talk, someone say yes. If not not support her, I say no. Because Jennifer never come do apology to this film. So if not they support this guy, I say yes. This is sister where
Okay,
they
but when you call me, she tell do the apology.
May you wait.
If she do that one, okay,
sister.
Epa, if she do that one, everything go there, Abi.
Yeah, you go come my platform. Yeah, you go open camera. They go the see. He go apologize to Mama Pa family. And he go still talk out for years. Say, Frank, I beg, I want make this matter die. I don't want make it. He go talk everything here. Once you talk, matter will see.
Okay, she go apologize. Epa, she go apologize.
And if we cease fire, then listen, my sister. If we cease fire, I can't hear again say Frank mention Mama Pat name or mention Destiny Bagua name. Mention what do you call her? Because the people where you're concerned, Destiny Bagua, Mama Pat also, you see the two children, 4 of them. So if I hear pay for
Epa, I beg no vessel. Imade go say apologize, Abi. Because now she and Imade still get issue. Not Mama Pat they go pull enter inside the matter.
Okay.
Where she want for apologize, then Mama Pat she go apologize too.
They still they look for settlement.
Epa, no. Epa, you say me one person apologize. Not be 2 people get issue.
You first do your own.
Everybody go move on now. They go apologize to each other. Everybody go move on.
You have been small picking. Definitely, I must still bring mandate to tell everybody, say, please, I beg, man, not vet. That one I'm going to go do. Not be you go tell me, my sister. Not be you go tell me.
Okay,
I don't be small picking.
No, wala. Jennifer go call apologize. She'll do video. She'll send them for you.
If I not sleep well, Jennifer is the problem. If I cough again, Jennifer, see, may I tell you something? When Jennifer call that day, I tell Jennifer, say, Imade will talk. Jennifer say Imade not be talk. Imade not be talk. Only she dey talk. Only she dey. That's a man you wait. I never ever talked to Imade before. Even Mama Pat, I never ever come Mama Pat for my life. Mama Pat also. Your boss says now let me that
she go apologize.
They listen to me. My sister, you feel listen to me. You feel listening?
Yes, I hear you. I hear.
You don't say you feel listening. They listen to me. I never call Mama Pat one day. When I go confirm her. I never call her one day. In my IK, I never get IK number. This matter so now Imade take call me. Wait, take on explain our part. If they hear tell so, now Imade can take call. Wait, yes. Okay, now I tell Jennifer say Imade will call so that Imade will explain our part. So that let's see how we can settle this issue between you and Imade. Since you they tell me say now Imade be your problem, let's see how we can settle the issue. You understand what I tell you so, my sister?
Yes.
Now your sister can't call. Before we know, Imade can call. As Imade call, I can't tell Imade say everything you want to, so I go play out. Imade can say no problem. That was the record I was playing yesterday, Imade record. Now, before me play Imade record there, your sister don't come send me more again. Send me more some evidence so I want to play. Send me some pictures of Imade and so many things. Waiting don't do for Imade. They don't send all of them for me. Okay, because it's okay. If not this one, I'll still know how to settle the issue. Before me know it, they happen. Before me wake up. I don't say everything which she said for me. She sent her go back to Frank Omozo. She sent all of them to make up bass say as they share Frank Omozo platform, give me say Omozo don't start again. The next thing, all the picture why they say this girl said for me. Now Omozo take the beat the family of party. May they come see this girl with the borrow clothes wear. May they come see this girl with be say Jennifer don't help. Talking nonsense.
If I see everything yesterday, I see everything.
Thank God,
I see everything we see happen yesterday. Yes, I'm not feeling for that one.
My sister, as Mama, what do you call her? I think Mama Jennifer get boy picking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you come here now, I can't carry Mama Jennifer boy picking come here. Now carry Mama Jennifer come out. I call the talker say this Mama Jennifer picking boy. They fuck Mama Jennifer. How you go feel, my sister?
That one they very wrong. That now when me say she go do apology video.
Not be
now when me say she go beg.
I never enter a family. I never drag the extended family. Now don't they cry. Only Jennifer I I'm a extended family. Now, if they can't bring Jennifer brother now, I can't carry Mama people. They say, I see two of them, they knock each other. Oh. I can't they spread the fake rumors, they go like that. And they spread the fake. That's what blogger take carry on. The way you talk, that blogger want carry. Because bloggers, they fail waiting want go viral for their platform. Bloggers, they fail waiting want go viral for their platform. You hear me so? Yes. So, almost one now is label those kind of false accusation to Mama Pat enemy head. Now he can't still leave that one. He can't still go drag Destiny. You the year of Destiny Bagua.
Not be close to my house today.
Okay.
I know.
You can't still go drag Destiny Bagua and I say Destiny Bagua they chop mama part, they chop Pikin Jonah. Allegation they pass down one.
If I all those one, me don't flare. Now that one, so me will
Okay,
follow a quarrel for that one. Say,
why you not tell
yeah,
Jennifer
me will follow a quarrel.
do public
Say,
apology? Upon us, I see the live one. You know this way we do public apology. You know
I know
this.
what he go do and beg. She go beg. She go call tell everybody sorry. Everybody where she don't offend, she'll tell them sorry. You hear?
Alpha, I see the live. I'll call you. I see the never finish. You the hear that I tell you?
I dey hear,
Hello.
pa.
You the hear that I tell you?
I dey hear. Yes.
See the talk say me come. You get where I go wait, Trish. You not come. I know we may not do apology again. You get where go reach. You know we will come at again. Don't. You understand me, so? He go come tell me. Say, see when you take get the chance, we will come out, carry come out for you. He go open camera. I'll be waiting they do for audio. He go open camera. He will apologize to that family. For real, because you don't bump for that place. She don't bump for that place. I know it's how they talk. So the prayer when they pray, say, make those ones said. So those ones, if that they accept, they not accept, but I don't do God do. If she apologize, Yahweh, Oba. Say agbon modini digwe abia the things that parable.
You speak the parable. Where pass you apologize. No worry, you go even call her yourself. Yes, you correct. So what you talk?
Hello.
You dey hear me?
Go call her corner.
No, well, I'll call her yourself.
Up. Go call her, come. Go call her. I know I made drive. See, my people, how na see her? If she can't apologize, we'll leave her. I pray make Mama Pat, may they accept the apology. You see so? Oba we agbo modini digwe. Wanitana. So if she come out, and if she not apologize, we not go accept her. If she not do the apology where he can't apology, because they do agree, we not go accept. Say apology for waiting. We take it easy. Who are eh? Or apology for waiting. Who are well, if family already was sooner. Eh? Who are I know say Jennifer no go apologize. Jennifer no go apologize. Okay. What's it? Why worry? Jennifer no go apologize. You say Jennifer no go apologize. Jennifer, no, I don't worry for tomorrow now. More I not worry now. This one I just small. Make you no apologize. More I not worry. He must come out publicly and apologize to that family. Let the police get aware. Okay. And people, we'll continue the audio. Audio. Wait, take your time, man. Say play the voice, pa. Why they call me O2? Wagbe O2 yewa. Everybody O2. Wagbe O2 yewa. If what they do so are they right? More than they right O2. Wagbe yo. If I know they right, right anyabi. If what they do not they right anyabi. If what they do they right O2. If what they do if they right O2. If what they do not they right, more right anyabi. You say who give you O2? Now your papa give me O2. Larry, who give you? Now your papa give me O2. Larry, era me O2, man. If they want saga Jennifer, this girl go the beg. The bribe bloggers up and down. Which one be bribe? Who will bribe? Which one be bribe? Anybody come beg, you know, na peace you need. If you do bad or do anything, now they're not beg for you. If you do bad, you do anything, they're not beg for you. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. We don't say the girl, nobody is perfect. This is say Anyabi Owiri. Anyabi Owiri. You want me to chat in here? Only one Yabi, only with Yabi. Ita we so ati manyabi. Ita. Ona we anyabi la wa. Iwegia. I was to me subu we. That me use a me parable say if devil come out, he go get followers. You see devil when I call it Swiss. Everybody they call devil, that devil. May devil come out today say I may be devil. Or more people go follow. I never see anything. If devil come out today, say that may be devil, he go get followers past some people. They talk. All of my way I will to God will bless all of them. Why I will say. All those are my fans. Any bawanya bina would die na him way. I won't die. So my people, let's continue the record. Let's continue the record. Yeah, thank you. My gift gallery, they shoot my gift gallery. What we see? My gift gallery, what I shoot me. If you not like what they do, they shoot my gift gallery. What we see? Let's continue the record. Record, don't want to drag my come back. Now out at the place, so. And because she know they pay you, now why body they pay you? Imagine. You don't say if you pay me, I'll see bitter. You say pay me, I'll see bitter. For real. I'll see bitter for the truth. Go ask questions. I may be the priest. Go ask question. Because some must know. Anyway, if not maybe no give away fair pay. Oh, wow. Matter give me. I will do the matter. You can't give other person. Or more if I reverse. You yourself will hate what make you finish my hand. You the wine. Listen to Obo they carry, where your sister carry, where your people carry, they carry ma. Listen to Obo, listen.
Ori amaze va, elekuku va. Owo unetelo yasuk money what
Justice or unetelo yasukbo. Justice or unetelo yasukbo. Stainless, I see you, Stainless. Stainless Joe, I see you. Justice or unetelo what ye?
Unetelo yasuk money white and black thread. All the day, one of your reado ya with me so. I don't be a vacuum.
Wow, I don't bali a vacuum. And I agbala amaze. You see all those amaze where they mold like man. They'll come carry those two amaze. They'll go tire. I have feeling hakweze. Everybody I will wear. Larry, justice for amaze. Amaze I will wear. Larry, about me bury the record. Amaze. Now Amaze go do another Amaze. When they come carry the man, they come mold woman. The ojuju go carry the thing. All the yeah, have a bee, have a shako, black. I don't show you way. I don't too. Have a they call put many things. I balo hallelujah. A new tea. Who am boy? I'm weapon. Jennifer really time away. Okay, that's not over the tire. If the Jennifer really time away. Okay, a Jennifer away wanna. Okay, upon the way you do and reach, you to still leave you. Upon the way you do everything reach, Newty still leave you. Jennifer, you know that shit. Newty still leave you. If you want more, not they drag you again, you better just come out, come apologize to Mama Pat family. Otherwise, now I don't want to say I still they respect your mama. Your mama, what it, my people. Please.
Unetelo yasuk money white and black thread. All the day, one of your reado ya with me so. I don't be a vacuum. Yeah.
Okay. Mo play a baby papa. Oh. A baby papa. A baby papa. Oh.
When we have Basha Wone, more than 5 million men go for.
Okay, that's one the record with is sort of baby papa wife. And they send that baby papa, then still go, hey, I'm going to, when we have Basha Wone,
more than 5 million men don't fuck you. You will naked, you will put it to Jennifer, Ogun value, I do, where you da. You know, my Ogun, I go kill now. Or then you believe that kind of juju course, now that kind of swear now, you go point out, all work believe you. Iye dey face in the view or edit you go kill you and edit and all your siblings the same day.
Hey, who they talk so? Now Jennifer, they swear for people children so. Hey, Larry. Now Jennifer, they swear for people children so. Larry, when on your bar, hey, you say get to children. Jennifer, but baby, mommy. This matter go long. This matter go long. Jennifer, the matter me record that evidence in book better. Here evidence in memoir. Here evidence in memoir. Jennifer, when we both your money. Now wait. I beg, if na Jennifer voice, someone say yes. If na Jennifer voice they talk, someone they say yes. Okay, you know what? Yes, yo.
When you have Basha one, more than 5 million men don't fuck you. You will naked, you will put it to Jennifer, Ogun value, I do, where you da. You know, my Ogun, I go kill.
Okay, now Newty wife they swear for Jennifer so. I don't understand. Now Newty wife that is not Jenny voice. Okay, it's like now Newty wife they swear for Jennifer so. More listen way. More listen way.
When you have Basha one, more than 5 million men don't fuck you. You will naked, you will put it to Jennifer, Ogun value, I do, where you da. You know, my Ogun, I go kill now. Or then you believe that kind of juju course, now that kind of swear now, you go point out, all work believe you. Iye dey face in the view or edit, you go kill you and edit and all your siblings the same day. There you go key. You open your cost to when we are when we're saying no we are not golden. That when you don't do a shower when I clock or your name because of saying you don't know. Mama Davis package you go mistakenly put bread fry for your head before. You believe say your total words to take costing. You are a useless woman. You are a very useless woman. What's your total word to take cost me for? You guys
Wait. That means now Newty wife that they insult Jennifer so. Voila. Voila menu.
Jennifer, not they talk. They say you want come out. I say you don't come out, your friends. Come out. Very soon, we go soon know they do juju between you and them. I may kill you, they accused. I they shame for you.
Wow. Agwana. Bless na Newty they talk so. Now Newty they say very soon we go see who they do juju. Who be ake mama part picking. Hey, that was wow. It was me matter ba. It was me matter. Who they talk so? Now, my what they call her? This girl, baby papa, we can't talk to you. So that's not a voice be this. Not the list way.
Jennifer, not they talk. They say you want come out. I say you don't come out, your friends. Come out. Very soon, we go soon know they do juju between you and them. I may kill you, they accused. I they shame for you. Young girl, 27 years old girl. I don't know so you feel desperate like this. Jesus. Kai. Come out, come talk. Make everybody begin play with it and get. Make them they listen to who they do juju, not they do juju. My head, you are too desperate. Mama Gino they talk that time say you use juju, I don't ever believe. And now I know. So you be real evil person. Evil. Jennifer,
you baby papa guana. Hey, baby papa guana. I must walk come and list you. I must walk Beronisa. This year, you attack a muscle, Gualonisa. No, you make carry it way. They say this girl the last smoke bolao. I must walk. They say Jennifer not the last smoke bolao. Anything small, I say, I hear second of anything smoke bola. I hear second of You never hear. You just see big yash. You don't look at that sense. They inside the big yash. You don't look at that sense. They inside the big yash. You just see big yash. Your eye, your day. Oh, yeah, Kevin myself when Ugbe. Eh? Uma talk their duty. Oh, tell me no Tana make sense. You know how many big celebrities matter don't carry God give me? Because how they carry they come out on social media. You know how many big people matter they give me? I will do it indoor. Now matter they carry on social media. Now matter that they carry on social media. I will do it indoor. Many matter they why they said to indoor we know they come out. Because I don't want to spoil their name. I don't want to spoil their name. Almost will see you the support. The baby papa again. It's not a baby papa they talk to. He said na evil. In short, picture na the moyo na you wanna on a Mosegbe. The picture no oje agbon. The picture no oje agbon yo. On a Mosegbe. Picture wey be say they go like the moyo. The picture no oje agbon yo the moyo. Ami ebo pa no me o agbo. Ina. Ona ma. Ni ya begola uweze. Usule le bo me wona. Ami ebo lo ma o. No be juju still go do for here. Walare. Abi ebo me wona. This picture, this one will be okay. Ni agona. Me they say juju. Me when we do apologize. Who you are let it because I did. Don't worry. Don't worry. They play. Never tell you be the priest. They play. They play. This picture good. When I see the picture, no juju where she never visit. Just to retain man. Just to retain man. You carry yash, you carry bread, carry everything. You not tell God, make God give you sense. You not tell God, make God give you sense. You just carry big yash, carry breast. You don't carry sense. Don't worry. Una dey see am. They not dey see am. But I might put this one. Now they see this one. I put this. Wakwe beg on na will see away. Na wari na go see this one way. Jennifer, you more boring. I don't believe Jennifer. Jennifer. I don't believe you, Connor. So many people they see the juju for your body. He say, who be this? Who be this? Yeah, who be this? Who will not be this? Who will not be this? Una they ask. Who know? Who get the picture? Know himself. Una they ask. I'm your papa my lele. Don't I say we never even start. Matter na my swing. This one has started the microphone. This one has started the microphone. Now you know the old juju where this Bini, you come on saying mama, this person they carry it for you go they tell Mozo. I just they look you, they laugh. You never know what you put on. Not come and apologize to that family. The can't teach why go they play. You go, hey, don't worry. Not they listen. Not they listen.
One come out and say you don't come imagine your friends. Come. Jennifer, not they talk. They like say you want come out and say you don't come imagine your friends. Come out. Very soon, we go soon know they do juju between you and the mama when they are accused. And they shame for you, young girl, 27 years old girl. I don't know so if you test spirit like the Jesus. Kai. Come out, come talk. Make everybody begin play with it and get. Make them they listen to who they do juju, not they do juju. My head full. You are too desperate. Mama Gino dey talk that time say you use juju, you use juju. I no ever believe. But now I know. So you be real evil person. Evil. Jennifer, you too evil. You too evil. I ready. You dey mad. I get wetin you wan talk. Which lie you wan talk wey you never fit talk? I ready anyhow you wan be. That stupid animal wey dey talk for the background so he go soon know you. He wan just dey fuck. You no be so fuck dem dey fuck you through away now. You dey find big prick follow everywhere they go. Useless life. Not be fuck dem dey. You see who take you serious.
What Omozuo, you hear what baby papa talk? He say they find big prick they follow everywhere. You know you about big prick there? You hear small prick there? Oviako, emwekiako, iye kevo mwekiako. Iye kevo mwekiako. Listen to what the boy talk. Or when mwekianekere, ni listen.
You see who take you serious now. Not be fuck dem dey fuck you leave you now. May God punish you. The big prick never tire you now.
Wow, the big prick never tire you now. How much of the year?
When you define big prick, you define what's a big fuck follow journey they go. Now may God punish.
Again, I don't want to play. Oh, the money. Hey Jennifer, I hear they look you, they laugh. And they look you, they laugh. You there here now? Jennifer, you dey look for big your. You dey look for bola where they full up. Yeah, we do total USA. Jennifer, total USA. Total USA. Ni agba mepo we. Mona pora water. Mona pora water. Hey Jennifer USA. Oh, me have go all the USA now. I'm not fair go there. Make this water for make the mouth they okay for. Jennifer carry big yansh like this. Carry breast. They call me juju for man. Ah God, I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. But record Sarah. Yeah, releasing Yesu. Hey, my people. Ah God, now they see something, my people. They almost will come out now. They almost will come out. Large almost will.
Doctor!
How is that?
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní fáwọn onísàn oníṣẹ́ ẹ̀gẹ́dẹ́ gbé. Amúmíà. Oníṣẹ́ ẹni ọ̀yá tó tẹ̀yẹ̀ wọ̀n náà gbọ̀n òun wọ́n wà ní ìwàkúwà rẹ̀ ó wà pìẹ̀rẹ̀ gìnàtọ̀.
Oh, where are you now?
Ọ̀wá yá tó tẹ̀yẹ̀ wọ̀n náà gbọ̀n òun wà pìẹ̀rẹ̀ gìnàtọ̀. Wọ́n bọ́ oníṣẹ́ ẹni ọ̀yá.
Oh, where are you now?
Sága ọ̀hún kan náà sága ẹ̀jì pẹ́sì. Ọjọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n. Jì pẹ́sì jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n sága ẹ̀.
Àwa bí bàbá bá ti wà. Àwa bí bàbá bá ti wà. Àwa bí bàbá bá ti wà. Gbé bàbá bá gbé.
Ọ̀rẹ́ náà kí wọ̀ yìí.
Wá bí ìdú ẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí. Láre, Larry, what's your Nayari Ture? Where to where? Here's your boy, what is that? What's your Nayara? Now you cause of this one, so what do you level again? What on here's your boy on this? It's your mother. What here's your boy on this? What's the again in that one? What are you again? Again, you escaping, Mary. Oh, escaping, eh? What's here? Ọgbọ̀n ọ̀nyà gbẹ́màtọ̀ yọ̀nù. Ẹ̀mùtà máa gbá ìbẹ́ ẹ̀mùtà onísàdó arẹwà. Wàá rò nísàn. Your nyash dey look. They dey talk about that thing since I dey here since na this girl nyash dey look. Yàmù nísàn yín bá. Nígbó nísàn. Mẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nyash. C'est the top better thing. Au moins, moment de ça, that girl can't escape. Il passe qu'on a quand. Il m'a qu'on a dit les azak à la jet bébé, il n'en voit pas. Non, saloa. On t'a. Allez faire caca tiare. Il fait caca quand. I don't cover the game, yash. Why me this?